Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use gestures at your earbuds. The touch area is located at the back side, usually at the top, but I checked and it also worked at the bottom. And with gestures you can play next track, you can play or pause the song or the movie. You can also enable game mode or music mode. You can swap between ambient sound controls. So it's a good one. Now you can also answer or finish the call with them. At this channel we have a video about gestures, so if you don't know how to use them, you can check that video. Next, as I said, these earbuds have like that you can swap between ambient sound controls, so it means that you have ANC. What mean active noise cancellation, and you can enable it by a gesture, by just double tap at your left earbud, or you can also use the EDIFIER CONNECT app, and right here you can enable it. Also, when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds, you can just enable transparency mode. It calls ambient sound, and in the application you can control this mode. You can increase it by just click at the plus, or lower it by just click at the minus. Also, if you play games, you can enable game mode, and you can do this again using gestures or using application. If you want to use the gesture, you need to triple press at your left earbud, or in the application you just go to the settings, and right here we have game mode. You just enable it, and if you disable it you will swap to music mode. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can fix it by perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset you need to or use the application or use a control on your charging case. So in the application right here we have factory settings, and you just confirm it. Then you need to reconnect your earbuds with your phone. To use a charging case, you just put your earbuds to the charging case, and then you need to triple press at this connection button at your charging case. If you don't know how, at this channel we have video about it, so you can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!